Hi, a strong voice doesn't automatically make you a strong leader. And if you're reporting to a T-Rex, you may feel like no one can hear you. Welcome to week 2 of our 6-week communication series, exploring leadership through the CAPTA framework. This week, T-Rex, assertive communication without alienation for leaders and those they lead. T-Rex leaders speak fast, cut to the chase, and value clarity. The challenge, that same strength can make people hesitate to speak up. Employees can respond productively without undermining authority by raising bold questions. Leaders can pause, invite input, and increase alignment. That is a two-way communication approach. Let's dig into examples of what kind of bold questions could be raised. Let's start with the leader. What am I missing? How would you approach it? What outcome do you see as the strongest? Now, 3 bold questions for employees. What is the main outcome you want me to prioritize? Anything I might be missing before I decide? If anything changes, how would you like me to update you? A T-Rex leader I coached used to give rapid commands to his team. Then employees hesitated to contribute. By adding 1 bold question to each meeting, then dialogue opened. Both leader and employees reported to be more aligned without impacting their speed and their decisiveness. It can be done. And you don't need to soften your strength, just need to make room for partnership. Two-way communication creates engagement, clarity, and trust. And please tune in next week as we will learn about the lion communication style. In the meantime, feel free to download my master guide to help you discover where your dominant style is, or book a discovery call where we can build a two-way communication plan for you. Till next time.